أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إذا السماء انفطرت، وإذا الكواكب انتثرت، وإذا البحار فجرت، وإذا القبور بعثرت، علمت نفس ما قدمت وأخرت. يا أيها الإنسان ما غرك بربك الكريم الذي خلقك فسواك فعدلك في أي صورة ما شاء ركبك. كلا بل تكذبون بالدين، وإن عليكم لحافظين كراما كاتبين يعلمون ما تفعلون. إن الأبرار لفي نعيم، وإن الفجار لفي جحيم، يصلونها يوم الدين وما هم عنها بغائبين. وما أدراك ما يوم الدين، ثم ما أدراك ما يوم الدين، يوم لا تملك نفس لنفس شيئا، والأمر يومئذ لله.
When the sky breaks apart, and when the stars fall, scattering, and when the seas are erupted, and when the graves are turned upside down. A soul will, then, know what it has put forth and kept back. O mankind, what has deceived you concerning your Lord, the generous? Who created you, proportioned you, and balanced you? In whatever form he willed has he assembled you. No. But you deny the recompense. And indeed, appointed over you are keepers, noble and recording, they know whatever you do. Indeed, the righteous will be in pleasure. And indeed, the wicked will be in hellfire, which they will enter on the day of judgment, and never therefrom will they be absent. And what will explain to thee what the day of judgment is? Then, what can make you know what is the day of recompense? It is the day when a soul will not possess for another soul power to do a thing, and the command that day is entirely with Allah.
كما أنزلنا على المقتسمين الذين جعلوا القرآن عضين.
Just as we had revealed scriptures to the separators who have made the Quran into portions.